Hi, I'm Dr. Rohan Fonseca, and today I am going to try to break down the stages of weight loss. I am going to speak about it from my personal perspective and my personal experiences. Let's get started. Stage 1. Denial. You refuse to accept the fact that you have let yourself go. You see yourself very positively in the mirror. See, we are talking about being overweight not from a beauty point of view. We are going to speak about it from a health point of view. You need to lose weight to improve your health. But when you see in the mirror, you come up with excuses like, this is what I am. Maybe I am meant to be this way. Or some people like me, I just could not recognize that I had put on so much of weight. I used to like that my arms used to get filled up in the sleeves. Never mind that it was just fat. So these are all stages of denial. You try to deny that you are actually overweight. Stage 2. Stage 2 is usually acceptance. But more important than acceptance, it is anger. You feel angry with yourself. You get frustrated. You tend to take out those frustrations on people around you. You tend to attract a lot of negative thoughts. You think bad about yourself. But in reality, it is just that you are really angry with yourself that you let yourself go so much. If you want to move forward from here, you will have to learn to channelize your anger. Otherwise, it only ends up putting you in a smaller hole of bitter resentment towards your own self. Stage 3 is confusion. You do not know what to do. You have realized you're overweight. You do not know how to get your weight back down. This is the stage where you want to try all sorts of products available in the market. You will go for fat burning pills. You will look for miracle cures. You will look for herbs. You will look for magic potions. Lime juice in the morning. No eating this kind of food in the night. These are all results of confusion. You are unsure what to do, and it is at this time where you are the most vulnerable. Vulnerable to touts and gurus selling you snake oil. This is where most people lose their hard-earned money. This is where their frustration also increases. This is where a lot of people give up. The fourth stage is a wonderful stage. It's called resolution. You have resolved to make a change. And once you have made up your mind to make a change, nothing is going to stop you. Remember, there are going to be ups and downs. But if you are strong in your resolution, nothing can stop you. It also is a stage to which very few people get. At the stage of resolution, you try to decipher and decide the future course of action, which brings us to stage number 5, the stage of action. At this stage, you start taking measures to get your weight back down. Maybe you will try to control your nutrition a little bit and improve on it. Maybe you might decide to move a little bit more. Maybe you will decide to get into a exercise program. You might not be regular, but you start taking action. The stage of sustainability, this is where you are almost home. You try to improve on the actions you have taken. You try to be more consistent in the actions you have earlier taken. It could be actions with your nutrition. It could be actions with your workout schedule and workout routine. You may add new things. You might remove things which you do not like. The stage of balance. This is the most beautiful stage. This is where you learn to balance your health and your fun and enjoyment. This is where your nutrition and your exercise become habits. They have become part of your lifestyle. Essentially, you have built a new lifestyle for yourself. You can easily lose a couple of pounds whenever you feel like, or put on a couple of pounds whenever you like. I hope this was insightful. Signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.